Hi guys, this is Rishabh. I graduated from FMS in 2017, so I wrote my CAT exam in 2014. Uh, I was just going through the articles, how CAT has transformed, how the paper concept has changed, how the format has changed. But as an aspirant, all those who are writing CAT 2019 aspirant, I have just one piece of advice. I believe when we prepare for CAT, there are many basic things that everybody needs to do, right? So starting from identifying your strength areas, how to attempt a paper, everybody does that. But I believe there's one important aspect which generally as a candidate we miss out. We do join about two or three or four depending upon how much time do you have, the amount of mock tests that we give, right? Everybody is enrolled with CL, time, IMS or aptitude or any other test series that you guys are taking. One aspect that I want to highlight is there's a small difference between a person who is achieving a 97 98 percentile versus who is achieving 99 or 99 plus. Everybody gives mock, and I believe a mock is a benchmark or a yardstick which we always keep in mind in terms of how you perform in the final exam. And though we have a strategy how to attempt a test, which sections to take first, which all questions to avoid, one thing which you generally miss out is how to analyze your mock. So let's say it's a Sunday, you're going for a mock, and the result is, let's say, 90 to 99 percentile. And that's where the cycle of a mock test stops. But I believe if that's the approach, then we are only at the like we are on the 50% of the path, because when you give the mock, the most important aspect is analyze that mock. What are the mistakes you made? You need to understand what were the things went wrong in that particular mock test. You analyze how did you attempt the paper, what should have been done in a better way. So it's always important to analyze what you have done, because until unless you can't figure it out what has gone wrong, you will never improve. So those numbers of 98 or 99 percentile in a mock test do matter, but how to have that edge and how to increase that, have that incremental percentile is something which can't alone come from just reading the topics and strengthening the areas. The most important aspect is you need to figure it out. You gave an exam, you need to figure it out what went wrong, what went right, and you analyze the test in terms of how much time was spent on one particular area, what should be the approach, because it differs from candidate to candidate. Everybody cannot have the same approach. So it's really important to analyze how you are giving the mock test as well, rather than just the results of that particular mock.